Hello, I'm Nadia McLeod from Emery Legal Kits, and we help businesses cut their legal costs with our online template kits. Put simply, a confidentiality agreement is a written contract stating people you talk to will not be able to take your idea and use it for themselves. Ideas have value, and your ideas are no different. A confidentiality agreement allows you to talk about your ideas safely. A mutual confidentiality agreement is simply an agreement that binds both parties not to disclose the details of their discussions. So, whenever you have an idea you believe is valuable, such as marketing strategies, business information or techniques, and trade secrets, you need a confidentiality agreement in place before you discuss your valuable information to another party. Aside from making sure that people you speak to can't steal your idea, if you want to patent that idea in the future, it's absolutely essential to that process that you can prove you have only discussed the idea under confidentiality. Every business should use confidentiality agreements because they protect your interests and demonstrate you're serious about your business. So whichever side of the table you're on, you really need to download our professionally drafted confidentiality agreement for your protection. For more information, click on the links below.